Oh my god.
Eh? Don't do that.
Hi guys, my name is Chelony, Pinay painter from the Netherlands. Let me show you some of my paintings here. And it's a little bit dark with candlelights. And that's my painting, my kids there. And I prepared something for us because we cannot go to the restaurants. So we have a candlelight dinner. We have a red lights there and over there also. There. And yes, we're going to have a dinner also here in our own home. Okay, and yeah, it's a quick video for Valentine's Day, and let's see later.
Yeah. Happy Valentine's Day. To you.
Rock is jealous. May pabulaklak si Mayor.
Happy.
Thank you.
And Rafi.
Eh?
Oh, happy Valentine. Do you miss going to the restaurant? Yeah. But is that okay for you? What we have now?
Yeah.
We have Valentine's Day, so it's like a restaurant, so it's okay for me.
And Papa? How is it?
Beautiful.
You like it?
I love you.
It's cheaper than the restaurant.
I'm not Koriko.
You have to pay me.
Huh?
Because mommy did that, so you have to pay me back.
Hi, Tita Lalas!
Hello.
Happy Valentine!
Valentines. Hello. Nakalag ka ate?
Wow, sexy naman! Hello! Happy Valentine! May palegs pa, oh. May palegs pa. Hi, Miko!
Hello. We have both this.
Hi,
Hi,
Rafi!
my name is Rafi. You know me, and welcome back to my channel.
There's Tita Lalaps.
Hello.
Ate Maika, hello. And my Valentino.
Hello.
Okay.
Nosebleed. Say hi, mommy.
Hi. Welcome to my channel.
Say hi, daddy.
Eating.
That's for mommy's birthday. After my tea, I can't see you. There you are. This is my This is for you, Miko. Say hi, Miko.
I'm trying to eat.
Oh, okay.
No more video on the table.
And this is me. Hello.
Lalabs. From Junie. Ano na?
Wow, thank you.
Why not?
America.
Bukse, bukse. Para kita natin. Para kita nga din yung makalimutan. Wow,
Paglaki ng ano eh, pag makaliit.
wow naman. Anong speech? May speech ba?
Ate.
Eh? Don't do that. You finish your plate.
It's like
now.
you eat in the restaurant.
You're like a kid. You're not even finishing your plate. You have already your phone in your hand. Little Mercado, you be
Hey, don't say that to your wife.
my wife.
That's my mama.
No,
I was born.
I'm paying. You only cost money. Yeah, I have.
Happy
Yes, I want to
Because
go
we
to
had
Disneyland.
restaurant
Papa,
setting.
Yeah.
Dad want to bring me to Disney.
So your Valentine's Day is happy.
Always.
Ang dami yung nakain.
Don't show that. You're doing that on purpose and you're not finished your piece.
My son also. Rapid dosing.
You like it?
Another dog. No. No, 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 no. Tamaya, no, 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 no. No, 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 you will.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed our quick video, and I hope next year there will be no COVID anymore. And please do subscribe my channel. Look for Chelony's creative channel, and please click the link, the notification bell, and of course you can drop a comment there and like, and of course, and you can also share to your friends. Happy Valentine's Day! See you in the next video. Bye!